Hi and welcome to my channel. It's Rebecca, also known as 4Kids at 147. Happy Fansells Friday, everybody. So I've got a few new goodies to show you as always. We'll start with the one that can be seen. I've seen quite a few of these popping up now and then. And while I don't go out the house very often, there is an occasion where I need to. And I'm going to see whether this mask works better for me or not. I do struggle with some, but this is a gorgeous little bee. There's loads and loads of different designs, but this one jumped out at me as being one that I wouldn't mind wearing. You do get a basic toolkit, boat wax and pen. And then it is actually only a few different diamonds because of course it is a small design, so it shouldn't take me long to do it all. But we've got some that are sort of a very, very pale yellow. We've got orange, we've got real yellow, or more stronger yellow, and then we've got black, which is fair enough because the bee doesn't have that many colours. So it looks as though we've got the paler yellow in the wings and then the deeper yellow round. We've of course got the black. I'm not sure. Oh, the orange seems to go on these little flowers maybe. Maybe that's what makes... Oh yes, it is the little petals on the flowers. Oh, that's sweet. So that should be really, really fun to do. I'm not sure what they're like to wear, but you know, we all need a memory of the joys of 2020 and what is becoming the joys of 2021. So I figured that would help with that matter, even if it doesn't get worn. It's definitely something that will remind me of the year. And let's have a look. What have we got for number 2? So we're now on to paintings, of course. All wrapped up in here. Oh, we've got special diamonds again. Oh, this is special diamonds with a little extra twist for this one. I've twigged which one it is. So this one is a little bit extra special. This is something that it was actually a subscriber who spotted them on the website before me, which is surprising considering how much I'm on the website, to be honest. But while this is a partial special, so you can see that it's got the dolphins and the little stars, you do get a toolkit with some baggies, so a little bit posher toolkit. But this one has luminous drills. So where it's got the number 1, which is the 5200, they actually glow in the dark. Oh, we've got googly eyes as well. The dolphins have googly eyes, and you get far more googly eyes than you need, considering each dolphin will have one. So we've got some blue. We've then got some orange. We've got gazillions of googly eyes, so we can stick them on everything. We've got 2 different sizes of stars. And then we have, oh, they look like normal drills. They are. And do they have DMC numbers? They do. So we do have DMC numbers on the actual canvas itself. Took me a moment just to confirm that the colours, they seem to match. 946, 374, 209 being a purple. Yeah. So we do have DMC numbers for the standard diamonds. We then of course have the AB diamonds, which is the stars and crystals and stuff. But then we have some nice bright colours. Purples, blues, yellows, orange, pink and red. And then we have the glow in the dark. Now, I don't know if this will work, but we'll try it. What I'm going to do is I've had this, well, not for too long, I've only just unboxed it, under the lights that I use for filming. Let's turn off the lights and see if they glow. Oh, they do. Can you see them? And they go round, so that got enough charge in it from my filming lights to glow in the dark. Okay, I'm going to turn them back on, just in case that gives a bit of a glare. But yes, they are definitely glow in the dark, and so that goes around the outline. It also goes inside the dolphin as well. So that is going to be really fun. There was quite a few different ones that they had in the luminous paintings. So if you want to give something a little bit different a go, then a luminous painting might be for you. That one is going to be fun to do. I'm going to enjoy doing that one. And then we have what looks to be a big one. Doesn't actually say what size. I know the codes do match to what's on the website, but I don't go hunting before I unbox, because they're all getting unboxed eventually. Sorry about that, my memory card filled up on me. So a big one. Oh, all the way up. Oh, this is a panel one. So this is a 5 panel. Oh, there's quite a bit of space between each one. We see that? So it is just the ocean. Well, it's a sailing ship on the ocean. I'm not sure if you're going to be able to see that clearly. That's not bad. It's not good either, but it's not bad. There is a boat, a sailing ship, and there is part of an island. But that's a nice 5 panel. So they're quite nice as like little snack size paintings, but that go together to make a bigger picture. So let's have a look. It says it's 95 by 45, but one panel, each panel is approximately 13 centimetres across, and then we have just over 21 centimetres, 28.5 centimetres, and 36 centimetres in length. And then of course it will go down again for these two, because the canvas size is classed as the whole canvas. So we've got those. Let's have a look at the diamonds. And this one is also a square. So this is a square diamond painting in a 5 panel. Let me see if I can get in it. Trying to find where the diamond's opened. So of course you get quite a few of some colours. How many colours have we got? 24 colours. They do have DMC numbers. We've got a little bit of 154, a little bit of 310, but then we do end up with a bit more when it comes to 318 for the dark grey. We've got a couple. Then we've got a couple of different shades of grey. And then of course we do have quite a bit of blue in this as well. A little bit of green, some more greys, that's 762 it is. Some more blue, same blue there, but then just a hint of a darker blue, that's 823. A few little browns, and then of course some gorgeous colours for the ocean. And then some green. And then we've got a few more shades of green for the trees. And then we've got some really nice chunks of blue for the ocean, and then some more for shading there. Let me find somewhere to put them. Ooh. Sort of have to move those out the way, otherwise it'll make a proper mess. But you can see we've got the ocean and we've got the sky. We've got the boat there. And then we've got the sort of side here. I would potentially cut this canvas up to work on each section. You could always cut the key off to take it with you for each section, maybe after you've done this first section. And I would probably mount this on foam board once it's done, so that you can put them either next to each other or with a thin gap apart to display it properly. But we've got a different mixture of stuff today. So we've got a 5 panel, we've got some beautiful dolphins that light up in a luminous, and we have, you know, the pandemic mask but with pretty diamonds on it. They do say now as well, I think, that you should double layer where possible, so it's always nice. You could always have a basic mask underneath, and then a nice pretty one on the top. But yes, I hope that has given you guys some ideas of some of the different stuff that's out there. There is actually a section for these luminous ones, or you can just search luminous and they will come up. But this one just caught my eye. I think it's because it's colourful as well. And I do have a little love for dolphins. But thank you so much for watching, and I'll speak to you all again soon.